Hey, what's going on, guys? Rakeem Madison here, and on today's video, I'm going to be giving you a Dosh review, and I'm going to be showing you how to get free PayPal money in 2018, guys. All right, so I've talked about this app here on my channel a few times before, but what Dosh decided to do was they brought it back, guys. So initially, I told you that from December 14th to December 31st, they were running a special where if you share their app and the person who you shared it with adds their card, then you would make 15 bucks, right? Now, at first, when I first heard about it, my buddy told me about it, so I was still a little bit like, I don't know if they're gonna give me $15 to download a free app and add my card. I'm just not sure. But one thing that I was always taught is to take risks. Right? If there's no risk, there's no reward. Now with this, there's really no risk though, because this is a free app, and the only thing that you have to do is download the free app. Obviously sign up, you know, like your name, your first name, last name, email, and I want to say that's about it. Now there's no risk because you're not paying any money. The only thing that people, you know, are a little bit hesitant on is adding their card, right, guys? I can literally show you that it's safe to add your card, right? And I'm going to talk to you about what's the purpose of you adding your card anyway. So it's a cashback app. So I've actually saw it in action, right? So one of my friends, I shared it with him. He went ahead and signed up. He shared it with his wife, and he made $15, right? Now he's actually made more than $15 at this point. So I feel pretty good about that I was actually able to help somebody who I consider a friend to make money, right? And other people have made money with it also by sharing it with somebody who, you know, who's pretty close to them. If you're married, you already have the opportunity right there, because the first person I tried it with, just to see if it was real, was my wife. I shared it with my wife, and my wife, I had her set it all up, and then about 48 hours or so, I earned $15, and that's when I knew, oh man, this is about to get good, because all they're doing is downloading a free app and adding their card. Once they do that, 48 to 72 hours after that, they will receive 15 free dollars. So I want to show you this email though, right? So let me bring my my camera down there. All right, so let me check my email real fast. I want to show you. All right, give me a second because it's loading a little slow. Okay, that's a different email. All right, so let me go here to my email, and I'm going to show you the email that I received from Dosh I think it was a couple days ago. All right, so let's go to Dosh. Let's type Dosh in. All right, so maybe it was in my other email. All right, yeah, I want to say it's in my other email, guys. So give me just a second. All right, so sign in. All right, let's sign in here. Yep, it's done. Yep. All right. Okay. All right, so let me type Dosh in this email. It might have been in this email. Let's see. Okay, so here it is, guys. So as you can see, it's titled New Year Promo, $15 for referring a friend. So their initial special was December 14th to December 31st. And since, I want to read this to you. Let's see, was this the email I received? No, it was another email. Here it goes, New Year, new referral bonus. So I want you guys, I'm going to read this for you. So it says, hi, Rakeem. Thank you for referring your friends and family to Dosh. We are loving all of our new Doshers. Thanks to all of you, over 1 million people downloaded Dosh in December. So in just the month of December, 1 million people downloaded this app. So that means that there was millions of dollars paid out for downloading a free app and adding your card. 1 million, over 1 million. So you do 15 times 1 million, and you do the math, right? All right. So it says this caused some technical issues and payment delays, right? Since there was so many people who downloaded the free app and added their card and was getting all these referrals for 15, right? A lot of people made a lot of money, guys. All right, so I'm going to keep going. So as a thank you for your support, we wanted to be the first to know that we are launching a $15 January referral program for 2 weeks, guys. So that's 2 weeks for you to download this app, add your card, and share it with people for 2 weeks, guys. All right, so starting this Sunday, which that was yesterday, it started yesterday. So I'm sharing it with you today. I meant to share it with you yesterday, but guys, you still have, to this point, you have about 13 days to share this app and make money with it. The rules are as follows. Refer friends to Dosh using your unique link and get $15 for each referral who links a valid credit or debit card. So they're not doing any more prepaid cards. I know when I made my video initially, they were, but now it's just a valid credit or debit card. Either one works. And I would highly recommend you use the card that you use the most, right? So your daily debit card, and you can add, and you can actually, for an extra $1, they will allow you to add an extra card. So that way, if you use 2 different cards, you're still going to be able to get the cash back from using the app. And then this says, if you aren't already a Dosh insider, we also want to invite you to our private Dosh Facebook group. All right, so that was the email that they sent me, and then I got the other email from them basically saying the same thing. So now through January 21st, we get $15 for each new person you refer who links a credit or debit card. So the instructions are this. You download the free app, right? And I'll put the link in the description. If you've been watching it, just go ahead, click the link right down below in the description. Click that link, download the app on your phone, right? And then once you fill out, because obviously it's an app, so you're going to have to fill out some information such as your name, last name, and a little bit more information. It's not that much. Once you download the app, add your card, right? And within 48 to 72 hours, your bonus will be paid out. Now, with you being the person that's downloading, you're going to receive 5 for downloading the app, and all you did was download it. I'm going to receive 15, right? But you can literally turn it around and promote this to other people, right? And like I said, if you're married, that's the easiest thing ever. All you have to do is download the app on your wife or your husband's phone, and boom, $15, 48 to $72 later. Now, I know some of you are still like, I'm still not sure, right? So show me some proof. So what I want to do, I'm going to go ahead and close out of this, and now I'm in my PayPal account, right? So I'm going to go ahead and refresh the screen. All right, so I got 25 bucks in my PayPal account right now. All right, so I'm going to go to payments received, right? Because I want to show you guys this stuff is real and I'm not giving you any bogusness. All right, so this right here, Cash Flow Solutions, is the name they were using initially when they first started doing their special. So Cash Flow Solutions Incorporated. Boom. They paid me $110, and that was on the 28th of December, right? And then they paid me out again on January 5th. Today is actually January 8th. So that was 3 days ago they paid me out once again. So that's a total of $145. Now, I still have some pending on the app. So look, pretty much I've made $150+ with this, and I'm probably going to make some more with this, because like I said, this is a free app, guys, that pays you $15 to refer people, at least for the special. Now, if it was just a regular time, it would just be $5 for the person who refers and $5 for the person who downloads. So it's a win-win because we both make money. But then if you turn it around, and I'm actually going to show you exactly what I did, so this way, it's a lot easier for you, right? So you can see I made the money. They paid me out, Dosh Holdings, and then Cash Flow Solutions, which was the name that they were using before. All right, so you've seen the proof. Now I'm going to go over to Facebook and show you exactly what I did to get these results. All right. All right, guys, so I'm going to go to my messages. Let me pull this up. And I'm going to Maybe I should open up the entire thing. See all in Messenger. So I'll do that. Just so it'll open up the big messenger, and then that way I can just type in like the word Dosh, and then that way I can see, like, you know, all the people who I sent this app. So I'll hit enter. All right, so whoa, I think I messed that. I screwed that up. All right, so I won't do it that way. I'll just do go into the messages. I'll just do it that way. All right, so all right, there we go. All right, so this is one of my buddies right here. I sent him the message, but I just want to show you the message that I sent him, and it was very simple. If you got a friend that you honestly you don't have a problem sharing this type of information with, then this should be pretty simple. All right, so I want to go down to what I shared with him, and it's pretty simple. I said, "Hey brother, did you get the free cash from the app?" Now, how many people do you know, if you say this to them, they're going to be like, "What app?" And you guys, you can see that's exactly what he said, right? And that's literally what I use on each and every person. And I didn't even know all of them. And some of them still signed up, guys. So don't be afraid to share this information, because there are some people who really need this money, right? And they're willing to do anything to get it, right? So, and I did this right here again, right? I said, "Did you get the free cash from the app?" Let's go up here, right? I said, "Hey brother, did you get the free cash from the app?" Same exact message, right? Now you will get some people who won't respond to you, right? You will get some people who will not respond to you at all. They'll just sit on it. But some of those people, if you follow up, because I've learned that in marketing, the follow up is where the money is, right? If you never follow up with that person, maybe give them a day, right? If they don't respond to you, and just say, "Hey, this is what's going on." Kind of give them updates, right? You don't want to annoy them, obviously, but just follow up. And if they're still not replying, hey, that's them. They miss out on free money. But you know about this right now, right? And you know that there are a lot of people who need money. And I knew the same thing. So all I literally said to them was, "Hey," whatever their name was, or if I knew them, "Hey brother." Or if you know one of your friends, if you're a female, you can say the exact same thing. "Hey girl, did you get the free cash from the app?" That's going to propel most of the people who I use this on. They said, "What app? What cash from the app?" Right? Because it's an intriguing question, right? They're like, "Oh man, I gotta answer that. What app is he talking about? Because free cash? Oh yeah, I'm ready to get started with that." Like, that's the mindset of certain people. Now, not like I said, everybody's not going to want to do it, because some people are skeptical. You could show people that you have millions of dollars in your bank account, and you could show them in your face, and they'll still say it's a scam or whatever, right? But like I said, guys, $15 per referral. It's best you don't miss out on it. And I'm glad that they brought it back, because now it's giving the opportunity for people to put more money in their bank accounts, or if they're in their PayPal accounts, like I just showed you here, where they sent me $145 just for sharing a free app. And I still have pending on my Dosh account right now. So guys, if you got value from this, go ahead and smash the like button, right? And also click the link down below in the description. If you want free money, if you literally want free money, I've showed you the proof. Click the link down below, download the app, sign up, add your card, and within 48 to 72 hours, you're going to receive your bonus of $5, and I will receive a $15 commission. And I literally just showed you exactly what I did to get these commissions. It was simple, because it's a free app, guys. So with that being said, I'm not going to keep badgering you. I'm not going to keep telling you what to do. At the end of the day, it's your decision to make. All right. So with that being said, let me actually hop on the camera. All right. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.